everyone, I am going to explain question number 3rd of exercise 5.2, and this question belongs from 10th class maths. The question is, the 6th term and 17th term of an arithmetic progression are 19 and 41 respectively. Then find the 40th term. So here it is given to us that the 6th term is 19 and 17th term is 41 of an arithmetic progression. Then with the help of these two numbers, we have to calculate the 40th term of the AP. So we will start to write it. So what is available, first we will write that. Here 6th term is A6. A6 is 19 and 17th term is A17, that is equal to 41 given to us. Now we will write down, since they are given 6th term and 17th term, terms are available, so we have to use the formula of nth term of an arithmetic progression. So we will write the formula first. The formula for nth term of an arithmetic progression, short form is AP, is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now here a means nth term, a means first term of the AP, and d means the common difference. So in this formula we don't know a, we don't know d, but when we have to use for the 6th term, in that situation 6th term means n is 6, because we have to write here a6. So instead of n, 6 will come, so n is 6, because n is representing the position of the term in the sequence. So it's the 6th term, so n, for this n is going to be 6. So one by one we have to use it. So we'll write here, which implies a6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 d. Now which is equal to a6. So instead of a6 we will replace it by 19, because 6th term is 19, a we don't know, and 6 minus 1 is 5d. Now we'll write it in the equation form. So it's going to be, we'll assume this as equation first. Similarly we'll do for the 17th term also. Then we'll write down, and a17 is a plus 17 minus 1 d. That is a17 is how much? 17th term is 41. So instead of a17 we'll write down here 41. So what we have done is, in this formula instead of an I took here a17. So n, so instead of n what arrived here? 17. That's why here also instead of n we will write down 17. So in this equation, in the formula of nth term, once we are done for the a6, and second time we are doing for the a17. So we'll write here a plus 16d. Now here we don't know the values of a and d, so this is going to be remain as it is. We'll assume this as equation second. Now we'll subtract them. So we'll write here. Now it's on you, either subtract equation 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. It's on your choice, you can do anything. So we'll write here on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So when we'll subtract it, first we'll write down the equation 2, and then under that we'll write down the equation 1. So it's going to be like this: 41 is equal to a plus 16d. Under that we'll write down the first equation, that is 19 is equal to a plus 5d. Since you are subtracting, so we'll change the sign. This you all had done in your small classes, so you know how to subtract the two equations. So when we'll subtract it, here it's going to be 22, and because 41 minus 19 we had done, that will give us 22. and a minus a is 0 and 16 minus 5 is 11d. Now after subtraction, what we obtained here, 11d is equal to 22. Now from here we can calculate d easily. So we will get here d is equal to 22 upon 11, that is 2. Now this value of d, now we obtained the value of d. Now we have two equations, equation first and equation second. Now in these two equations, in any one equation, we are going to replace the value of d, that will give us the value of a. So you can use equation 1 as well as equation 2. Again, it's on your choice. In any one equation, replace the value of d. So we'll write here on replacing d equal to 2 in equation first. So what is the first equation? 19 is equal to a plus 5d. Now in this, we instead of d we will replace 2. So that will give us, so there is no symbol. There is no symbol in between them. So they are in multiplication. So 5 multiplied by d's value is 2. So write it 2. From here calculate a. So that will give you 19 is equal to a plus 10. Now this 10 you just shift in this side. In other side, so sign will change, and that will give you the value of a. So a also we obtained, and d also, d is 2 and a which we obtained is 9. Now we are going to, since in the question we have to find out the 40th term, so again we will write down, since an is a plus n minus 1 d. So 40th term we have to calculate, so it's going to be a 40. So instead of n, 40 we will use. Now a how much? A is the first term, that is 9 we calculated, n is 40 minus 1, and d which we calculated was 2. So we wrote here. Now here just write down the note that since a is 9, d is 2 and n is 40. So we replace the values here, that's why I just make a note here. So 9 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 multiplied by 2, and now we will just solve it. So it's going to be 9 plus 78, add them, so you will get here 87. So 40th term of AP is 87. So this question is completed. I hope this question is clear to you. Further, if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment so that I can solve your doubts. Thank you.